How? And how did you keep this hid? And where did you hide this?
In one of my closets.
Oh, that's why, yeah. You won't find anything in there.
Okay, happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. No!
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
So what project do you have going on today, Clyde?
Yeah, what was it? A couple days ago, we noticed that our alternator, our high output alternator, wasn't putting out like it should. And so after doing some investigation and everything else like that, we determined that it's probably the alternator. So we ordered ourselves a new alternator, and now I'm in the process of trying to install it.
Hard?
Yeah, well, yeah, like I said, it's all plastic, so you don't want to, there we go. You don't really want to pry it or anything because, you know, those plastic stuff tend to break fairly easily. All right, so now it is all disconnected wire-wise. Can you try to pull that bolt out?
Which one?
That one right there.
That one?
Yep. Just...
Where the washer?
Yep.
Got it.
Oh, that's how you pull out R.
It didn't take that
Generator.
long. Like 13 minutes.
So
And now comes the fun part. We have this belt that goes right here. As you can see, we have a belt. And everything is snug as it is. And now for some reason, we can get another new one.
Once Clyde loosened up these bolts, he was able to move the alternator to a better position and the belt went on without any trouble.
Always take a little time to pack everything when you go to the store.
you always know who the cruisers are when they got a bunch of backpacks going to the grocery store.
Everyone thinks that when you're cruising, oh, you're going to the beach the whole time, you're laying out, you're drinking good drinks. We've been to the beach once in 3 months. And that was only because we were anchored in that nature reserve. But no, you walk around and you shop and you clean and you carry everything and you throw away and you decide what to do. Off we go.
I think we left it a little bit too late. It's what?
11.
11, and it's already really hot here. We should have probably went earlier, but well, we always tend to do things in the hottest part of the day anyway, so.
And we don't seem to learn.
No. So why make this an exception, so? Maybe one day we'll learn to maybe do it when it's a little bit cooler. This is a huge supermarket place. It's really nice. I mean, it's just, look at how huge this place is, huh?
Yeah, that sounds, it's really good.
Wow.
Hopefully now we won't have a problem finding things.
It is always nice when you come across a big grocery store. It allows us to replenish and stock up on the things that might be hard to find in some of the small towns we visit. The only downside is that we usually have to carry everything we bought back to the boat.
100 euros later, now we got every, well, not everything, but we got
A lot.
a lot.
So let's do the warm trip back to the boat. Now, finally got the groceries here.
Got everything.
Here you can see it's all packed up to the rim.
Oh, we got everything pretty much packed away, but now we need to take care of the most important thing. There it is. 24 cans, 500 milliliters each of Super Bulk. We got laundry to do today, and unlike how you regular household where you can just walk to the laundry room and stuff, we got to pack up. Not only we got 1, 2, 3 bags of laundry, and then plus we gotta throw our trash out as well. So it's taking us about 20 minutes just to
20 minutes just to get out of here. It's gonna take us another 20 minutes to get there. A couple of hours to do all the laundry, so be back here before lunch.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
It's like almost 8 o'clock.
Yeah, so let's get the dinghy packed up here, shall we?
Yeah.
We have arrived at the cleaning place. We can do our laundry facility. They're supposed to be open between 8 and 11. They're not open yet. Apparently we're not that smart.
Nope.
You pushed the button to get in the door.
We got 39 minutes to wait, so we're gonna go grab some breakfast now, but seeing how it's been a while since there is a McDonald's by and we really love McDonald's breakfast, we're gonna go there. Don't judge us. We got all the washing done and it was dry. This is all our laundry. You happy now?
Happy.
Clean clothes. Yay! No more dirty sailor. Until tomorrow when we become dirty sailors again.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
I have something for you.
Oh no, what?
This is actually a story behind it. I told my mother of something that I wanted for your birthday. Got my sister to get it. And she gave it to Keena and Rona when they were visiting from Ireland. So I've been holding off for that since they visited us on the boat in Ireland.
How did you keep that a secret?
I don't know.
How? And how did you keep this hid? And where did you hide this?
In one of my closets.
Oh, that's why, yeah. You won't find anything in there.
Okay, happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. No! Build Thema core shorts and shirt, yeah!
My sister said she was so embarrassed of buying them. My sister Marie.
Oh, sweet! Look at that! Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm going up into town like this today. Woohoo!
Happy birthday.
Sweet, thank you.
Oh, look how amazing it is. Today we are spending the day in Lisbon on Clyde's birthday. And we have a few hours to kill before we have a walking tour of the city that's 3 hours long. So now we're gonna do the city.
Lisbon, the vibrant capital of Portugal. It's a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and a lively contemporary vibe. Nestled along the banks of the Tagus River, Lisbon has a rich maritime history. This dynamic city is not only a cultural melting pot, but also a destination where tradition is on display in our modern times. Lisbon hosts one of the world's oldest operating bookshops, Bertrand Bookstore, founded in 1732.
I'm gonna pass by the bookshop. Feel free to take a picture. All right, but guys, this is not a joke. I have a couple from Singapore that was, well, they were here in my tour, and the girl, she had a camera this size, and this is the reason why I remember, because it was like a safari camera. And she asked me, Bruno, can I take a picture inside? And I said, yes, but do it quick. I never saw her again. The foundations, they look like that. So what I'm just explaining is that even knowing that the buildings, they don't look really old, right? They all look like that. This is how they are from the inside. And I'm just telling you this so you can really understand how old it is, the area.
Well, we woke up to some good news this morning. I woke up and I could see that our dinghy was gone. Motor, everything's gone. It looked like during the night, the D-ring that we had attached to, the glue came off or something, because all I got left is the line and the D-ring, and the dinghy's gone. So that means we have no way to get off the boat now. So that means until we can get a new dinghy, we can anchor out, but we can't get off the boat. So Luckily, we're not too far from Gibraltar, where we plan on staying a few months anyways. But still, there's just a lot of money for the dinghy and for the motor just gone. So that kind of really sucks. So, and it was pretty windy last night, so it's probably way out at sea right now by itself. So the brand new motor, basically brand new dinghy, fuel chain that we had to lock it up, everything just gone. It just really sucks. What do you think, Anna?
I think you pretty much said it all.
If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and subscribe.